Electric power steering does a lot behind the scenes, but when something goes wrong, the fix isn't always obvious. And because these systems rely on sensors and network data, guessing at the cause can get expensive fast. So before you start checking components or replacing parts, there's one step that should always come first. Let's talk about that next. Start every electric power steering diagnosis with the scan tool. That's the quickest way to confirm whether the steering angle, torque, and vehicle speed inputs make sense. If any of those signals are missing or inaccurate, the system can shut down, assist, or enter a fail-safe mode. Pull the codes, look at the data stream, and make sure the modules on the network are talking to each other. It's the foundation for an accurate diagnosis. Once you've confirmed the data, you can move into the other behaviors that help point you in the right direction. For example, return to center depends heavily on clean steering position information. If the wheel doesn't track back smoothly after a turn, the sensor may be sending the wrong values. Damping is another clue. Electric power steering uses speed and steering position to reduce bumps and vibration. If the feedback feels harsh or inconsistent, look at what the sensors are reporting. In some cases, the system may activate damping even when the vehicle is parked with the engine on, which can cause slight wheel movement that drivers notice. Pole compensation can also help with diagnosis. These systems can learn and counter small pulls from road crown, tire differences, or vehicle load. If the vehicle starts to drift after a tire or suspension change, you may need to reset the learned compensation and allow the system to relearn how to keep the vehicle straight. And as vehicles become more advanced, so do the steering systems. Autonomous and variable ratio steering rely on additional sensors and actuators to guide the vehicle, maintain lane position, or adjust steering response with speed. Problems in those supporting systems can feel like a steering issue, but the scan data will confirm where the trouble really begins. Electric power steering isn't something you fix by throwing parts at the problem. Accurate diagnosis start with the data, then move through the system's behaviors to find the cause. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.